Hey legends! True heroes help others find their independence. Today we are honoring a phenomenal legend, Bessie Blount Griffin. Bessie was a brilliant physical therapist and wartime nurse who worked with brave soldiers who had lost their limbs in battle. She wanted to give them their power back. She noticed how hard it was for these heroes to do everyday things, like eating, without help. Bessie knew there had to be a high-tech solution. In 1951, she invented a revolutionary electronic feeding device. This amazing tool allowed people to eat on their own, even without their hands. It worked like magic, delivering single bites of food through a tube whenever a person bit down on it. It was all about high-tech independence. Bessie even went on to invent disposable medical dishes. She proved that the best inventions come from the heart and helping humanity. Talk about absolute genius. If you're ready to use your heart to help the world, smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing discoveries. See you next time in the Lab of Legends.